everyone. So the topic which I choose today is phishing, which is also known as hacking done via human mindset. So the main reason choosing this topic is that phishing is very common topic, but people are still not aware of this topic. That's why they become the easy target of fisher. So let's start the presentation. So first slide will be of what is phishing. So basically, phishing is a process of manipulating people, or we can say fooling people by making them that they are using a legitimate website, but that website is not a legitimate, and the innocent user believe that and enter their passwords, and when they just click the enter, all their password will be sent directly to the fisher website. So this phishing can be very dangerous. So the next will be why it is important to know about phishing. As I earlier told that people are not aware of the phishing. Like when someone send them a link and tell them to click that link, they can easily trust the sender without even thinking that they can be misused or something virus or something can spread to your computer. So it's very important that every individual should know like what are the causes and what and how can they protect themselves from the fisher or from the scam. So we will discuss that later in the slides. So the next will how phishing actually works. So the process like goes like this. Like for example, someone is traveling in a metro and some unknown person told someone that hey Ram, but actually his name is not Ram. So like in this way the phone was started. Like and slowly like there is a human tendency that someone talk them, they will sharing all their personal information. Like in this same manner the person will start sharing all his important, yeah, all his personal information, like about his children, about his wife, about what are his interests, like something like that. And he and in talking way he also told him that his wife birthday is also coming and he's planning some gift. Now this all process is also known as social engineering, which is also mean manipulating people. So now what will the hacker do? Hacker will know that the human is attracted to something from which his wife, from which where he can give to his wife something. So what will he do? He will send a mail pretending to be a Amazon, and he will send a mail that you get a 15% discount or some gift voucher. So the user will believe that easily and he will be attracted toward that because he was planning for her wife gift. So he will click on that link, and then a pop-up come that for claiming your gift you have to enter your credit card for confirmation that your identity is true or not. So he will innocently trust them and enter their all their credit card information, and at that moment only all his bank balance will be gone. So this is actually a process of phishing. So the next is impact of phishing. Like we talk about what is phishing, how it is happen. So it's important to know what losses will be there after you become a victim of phishing attack. So there would be a destroy important information. Like if a attacker attack your computer, so he or she can destroy all your important information. Or maybe sometime that phishing attack can happen in a whole organization, so the organization reputation can be in danger. There will be money steal, or there will be user confidentiality can be in danger, like Aadhaar card, like passport. The attacker can misuse these identities and can he can use this identity in some illegal website. So and in this become you will become a victim. There will be financial losses, loss of productivity. There can be a credit card data breach. Virus can be easily downloaded in your system through some links. So we should be alert enough before clicking some link, or like if some mail is coming, we should be alert enough that we can identify that this mail is some fraud mail or something. Like it is not possible to see at one look, but there are so many like there's so many points that you can just justify it, or matlab, you can see just difference between the official or some phishing mail. So basically, there are three types of phishing. First is spear phishing, second is clone phishing, and third is whaling. The other common thing in all these phishing is that the person identity or person important information or reputation is in danger. So we will first talk about spear phishing. So basically, spear phishing is not an attack on a whole organization, but on an individual. Like there will be an individual from an organization, like an employee or maybe manager, and by mailing him, he will ask for her office information, or maybe a message, or maybe a mail, like you have to change a password, something like that. Next will be a clone phishing. Clone phishing basically come from claiming that they are from trusted websites, like they can be of bank, they can be of shopping website like Zomato, something like that. So third will be whaling. Whaling is properly different from the other two, because in this the attack, like the who get attacked will be a senior executive or something high profile target. So this whaling is not common, but still attacker are using this attack. So talking about all of these, it is important as a user to know like how the attacker actually create a phishing page. Like how can a person easily get fooled by the website that he can't even identify that it is official mail or it is something phishing mail. So like the workflow will go like this. First, what will be the attacker do? Attacker will take a source code of any of the website, any of the website, like he will take a source code of Facebook. So what he will do, he will then take a source code of any website, then he will search for an action, and he will change the action from his action page. Like Facebook has an action page which will redirect to a .php file, which is Facebook officially .php file. What will attacker do? Attacker will make a clone of a Facebook, save his file as like facebook.html, and will go to the search and search for an action, then change the parameter of action from his PHP file, like he can name any name of that PHP file. Then he will do some changes in PHP, like he will change a header location to the he will change the official Facebook website to his clone Facebook website. And he also change the fopen text file, like fopen basically parameter is used to, like you enter your data, you enter your password, and when you go to log.txt file. So the attacker can easily see log.txt file and can see your all the password, all everything. So there are many tools which can identify, like if you got a mail and you are find something fishy, that there is something wrong in a mail, so you can just check that mail is official or not by some website like demo of me.com, demo of IT Grapper, and many more like this. Now talking about all of this, the important thing is that how to identify phishing email. So what we'll have to do is, first we have to look closely at the actual email address. Like sometime you receive you order something for Snapdeal and you got a mail that you have that refund money, something like that. So there is a chances that Snapdeal has some spelling mistake, like they use they just remove A and S and P D A L D. So there should be a chance that this is a phishing mail. So we have to look closely at the email address, that is this official or not. We should just check for spelling and grammar mistake. Like there is a chances that when it's a phishing mail, there is some grammatical error in a material, like what the email has come from. The third will be a review. We have to review the email salutation as well as email signature. Like when the mail come from like dear sir, dear ma'am, there's also a sign that this is a fraud email. Like we should be alert that if we have not served that website and we are receiving a mail, so there's something fishy will be there. Like if we have not even like we don't even serve that website, to how we can receive mail from them. So like we also review the email signature, like when we when we get a mail from someone or from some official website, so there should be a number, official website, official email ID, or the digital signature. If that is not present, that there is also a sign that this is a phishing mail. Like we don't have to trust the link. Like we should never trust the link which is mentioned in a mail. Like if you click that mail, there is a chances that it redirect in something something malicious website, or like when you click on the link, some virus can be downloaded in your computer. And the next is encrypt sensitive data. This is very important. Like somehow you become the victim of phishers, so there is a chances that you can save yourself. Like if your data is encrypted, so there are chances that sorry, even if you become a victim, your data will be a safe. Next, that we should use two-factor authentication if somehow our password will be compromised. So if we use two-factor authentication, there is a chances that we can be safe from them. The last and the most important is that sorry, that we have a antivirus software that should be up to date. Like there is something wrong, so the antivirus can tell us or something. There's something we do, like there should be any loophole or any bug in our computer, because this can easily invite hacker. So with this I end up my presentation. Thank you everyone.